People, wagwan, my people, welcome back to a brand new updates. Welcome back to Best Media News channel, people. So, two friends died in St. Mary crash, people, leaving the poor streets in a whole heap of pain and sorrow, people. Condolence to the family. I have that clip to provide you with. Stay tuned. Watch the clip.
Officer, we need some crowd control. Oh, boss, we need everybody here. I'm going to.
It happens that 3 people, including a taxi operator and an accountant, are now DEAD following a 2-vehicle crash in St. Thomas on Tuesday evening, people. The deceased have been identified by the police as 61-year-old accountant Errol Taylor, who was of Pembroke Hall, address in Kingston 20. Taxi operator Maurice Hines, 41-year-old and 29-year-old Tamai Delisser, known as a security guard. Reports are that about 6:40 p.m. Hines was driving a Toyota Probox motor car towards Yallas when, upon reaching a section of the roadway, he reportedly attempted to overtake a motor vehicle. He suspendedly collided with another Toyota Probox, people, that was on the opposite direction of the other side of the road, people. The police were summoned, and upon observation, it was revealed that both vehicles failed to adhere to the road closure sign that was erected. All 12 injured individuals, including 2 children, were transported to the hospital for treatment, where Hines and Taylor were pronounced DEAD and Delisser later succumbed. Investigations are ongoing.